Hi everyone, I applied this Meguiar's Ultimate Ceramic Coating to my car 6 months ago. Let's see how well it's held up. I got a chance to test out my ceramic coating when an overhead storm drain pipe leaked onto my car. Fortunately, the coating is hydrophobic and none of it stuck. All I had to do is spray the paint using my waterless car wash, and then all of that dirt just wipes right off. I also applied the ceramic coating to my wheels, and I'm quite happy with the result. 6 months later, they're still nice and shiny, and dirt doesn't really stick. Normally, wheels are one of the most annoying parts of the car to keep clean, but with the ceramic coating, dirt just wipes right off. I'm using Optimum No Rinse, the same stuff I use for my regular car washes, and it works great. Now here's a little demonstration that shows why dirt doesn't stick to the car. So when I pour water onto the paint, it beads up and rolls right off. This is because the ceramic coating is hydrophobic. So as you can see here, it looks great and it performs just like it did on day one. So this ceramic coating is quite impressive. But now let's wash the rest of the car and see how the gloss is. While a regular paint sealant will provide protection and shine for a couple of months, this ceramic coating still looks showroom ready 6 months later. So yeah, I'll have a link in the video description to check this product out if you're interested, as well as a link to the original application video I made. I hope you all enjoyed this little update, and I'll see you all next time.